Everyone, welcome to Crazy Trades 24/7. This is your daily market outlook for gold, silver, Bitcoin, Euro USD. Today is 18th August, Tuesday. So, without any further ado, let's get started with gold. Yesterday, we have seen an up move on gold. It was quite erratic in nature, but after the retest of 44.36, gold has came down to the level of 43.85. And from this level onwards, you can clearly see it's trying to take a bounce back. After this bounce back, price is expected to continue on the upward direction as trend remain strong, and it seems like price is going to continue further in the upward direction. Retest of resistance 1 is very much of a possibility. After the retest, we are expecting a breakout above this level. So ultimately, the trend should continue on the upward direction. Immediate support is at 43.77. If gold retraces further from this level, then 43.77 is that particular level from where it may face some strong bounce backs. And as a resistance, we have 44.36 as a strong resistance level. It had shown rejection to the price multiple times in the past. You can clearly see this was the first instance when price faced rejection from this very level, and after that these were the instances when price again faced rejection from this level. So our outlook for the day remain on sideways to bullish direction. We would be looking for long trades, especially a bounce back trades if price consolidates and then try to move in upward direction. So this was gold. Next we have silver. And on silver as well, we had seen similar move to what we saw on gold, where price is again after this retracement, it's trying to give a bounce back. You can clearly see this magnitude of green pin bar candle. This is most likely going to be a reversal candle. Reversal is specifically for this downtrend, this downswing which started after price retested the important resistance 66.56. This was a downtrend, and after that price had formed this kind of rejection candle, it's most likely that price is going to continue further in the upward direction, and it may retest this level of 66.56 again. Eventual moves we are expecting is going to be on the bullish direction. If you look at the 2 hourly time frame price chart, you will find out that this is just a correction, or rather you could call it as a consolidation of this big up move that we had seen. After this consolidation, it's most likely price is going to continue further in the upward direction. So our outlook remain on sideways to bullish direction. We would be looking for long trades. Immediate support is at 65.081 and immediate resistance can be seen at 66.56. So yes, this was silver for you. Next we have Bitcoin. And on Bitcoin as well, I mean, if you had seen our yesterday's outlook video, then we had recommended a long entry when price gave a breakout above 63,400. And when it returned back and on a pullbacks, we were expecting a nice entry point for long trades. So you can clearly see it has worked out really well. And now price had given a breakout above 63,990 after retesting the level of 64,600. It had again returned back to the lower levels. Most likely it's going to further bounce back from this level onwards and going to give a nice long opportunity to us. So there's opportunity for us here. Let's wait for some consolidation. If price consolidates here for some significant period of time, and then if it gives a breakout above that consolidating range, then that is going to be our appropriate long entry trigger point. So with this, our outlook remain on sideways to bullish direction for Bitcoin. We would be expecting for price to retest this level of 65,500. This is the broad resistance that we had drawn. After previous bounce back, price had went till this level to retest this particular zone. So we would be expecting same this time as well. So yes, this was Bitcoin for you. Next we have Euro USD. And on Euro USD, after giving a breakout above 1.1580 and retesting this high of 1.1614, price had again returned back to the lower level. Most likely it's a correction or a pullback. If you look at the price structure, this was the humongous up move that we had seen on Thursday, which was on 13th August. And since then, after forming this high, price has been consolidating and kind of retracing. It has came to this level of support. This is 1.15701. If price continues to consolidate at this level, this is going to be a significant zone then. And then we could look for long entries. Taking long entries is the only option that we have here on Euro USD because overall trend is very strong. And if you take a trade which is aligned to its overall trend, then most likely it's going to be a successful trade. So for that, I would personally be looking for a long entry if price gives a breakout above this black ray that we have drawn here. This is 1.1585. If price gives a breakout above this level, then we are most likely to see a good up move up until the previous swings high, which is 1.1614. And also, if price breaches this level, then obviously we are going to see some really nice up moves. So with this, Euro USD also have the same notion where we are expecting sideways to bullish directional move for today. Immediate support you can take this as an immediate support. This is 1.1568, and below this is obviously going to be act as a strong support. This is 1.1560. So with this, we had already seen gold, silver, Bitcoin, Euro USD. You can join our New York session live stream, which is scheduled from 5 p.m., where we are going to discuss all the scripts and the setups that I just discussed. And also, we are going to cover some of the major and minor Forex pairs, along with some of the interesting cryptocurrencies and world's major indices like S&P 500, NASDAQ, CAC 40. So do join our New York session, and thanks for watching this Outlook video. Have a great day.